What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are all doing great today. Welcome back here. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and all the good bits, because it really does help me out. Really trying to grow this channel up to like 100 subscribers by the end of in the next 2-3 months or so. Really excited. Hope you guys are all doing great. Happy 4th of July to everybody, all the Americans out there, and I hope you guys had an amazing Canada Day for all you Canadians out there as well too. So it's been a while, and I was watching a video that really resonated with me with one of my favorites YouTubers. His name is Maddie, and I'll link up like the video around here somewhere, but I put a screenshot as well too of what the video was all about. But I really love that video because it really resonated with me because of the fact that he was explaining how he wanted to make his YouTube channel now on all the videos around documenting and sharing his life and sharing his unique ability and quirkiness and a little bit of his life, right? And I really love that because I envision my own channel to be like that, in that very similar fashion as well too, because I have so much to share, so much to help with other people, and I thought to myself, the whole purpose of this channel is to help millennials to get up on their feet, to go and be the best of who they are, and tap into their full potential. And I really love that. And one thing he said that really strikes me was that he wanted to make his channel about his life and thought about what is he doing today, and then documenting that journey, whereas opposed to he has like a new camera that they sent from like Nikon or something like that, or Canon, and then he has to review the video and create like specific shots. So he wanted to build a channel around that, and I thought to myself, like, this is so good. And, like, I really love that, because like a lot of people are just very focused now on creating very high quality content on YouTube, but like not about like sharing a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and like what they love and what they, if you like to work out, and then they adding all these different things. Supposedly it's not really good to do that on YouTube, but like I just don't really care, because I really love that. I really wanted to document this whole entire journey on YouTube, because like I really want to share with you guys, like anybody can do this, as I'm building along with my journey, enjoying the journey, and figuring out my own unique ability. And what I really do enjoy in life is just filmmaking, editing, and learning everything about it, right? And creating a story. I knew about this growing up back in 2006. I knew about YouTube. I saw the values of it, and this advice really goes to a lot of like young millennials out there and all the people, younger generations from now on, because like I really want to build and share this kind of mindset, because like I want everybody who's watching this video somewhere in the world to tap into their full potential and be the best that they can be in life. Because I grew up knowing that YouTube was amazing in 2006, and I didn't take that leap because I was just so afraid of being made fun of by my friends, and I hated that. I didn't like that feeling of trying to fit in with my friends and kind of shoving away all the things that I really love, like drama class. I hid that from my friends. I wanted to like learn all these like video editing and stuff like that. I really wanted to like dance. I really wanted to do so many different things in life, but I never did that because I was just so scared that I was being made fun of by my friends. And I want to change that for all of you. I'm sure a lot of you out there are in the same boat as me growing up, and I'm going to tell you that just tap into your weirdness and your true self, so that way, because like I am building my channel exactly like the way Maddie's building his right now. I really want to share that, because like it's just more personal that way, and if it shows that like the growth along the process, to me, if it impacted one person somewhere, it's so worth it. Because like everybody's so afraid to express themselves, everybody's so afraid to do the things that they love, because like society tells them that they're not allowed to, that they have to go to school and get a bachelor degrees. I'm sure that's definitely changing, by the way. But when I grew up, you were told to go and get a degree, get a good job, and especially for me, with my Asian parents, they were telling me that I should do all this and that. And by the time I did it, and I worked in there, I hated it. It wasn't me, and it was just soul sucking because I didn't enjoy it. And somewhere along the line, I was like, you know what? I'm taking control of my life. I'm ready to do this, and taking time slowly to learn how to video edit, learning along the way, really enjoying the process truly and wholeheartedly was important. And I really love that part of this entire journey so far, and I really want to share that. Some takeaway tips, always trying to add takeaway tips, is that if you're watching this and you're a millennial out there, and you really want to do the things you always love, take time, at least an hour or two out of the day, to learn something new about something that you love. but be willing to fail, because if you're not doing it for money, it's okay. You just learn, right? Imperfect actions is always better than perfect inactions. It's always a quote that I live by, and I really love that, because like it's just exactly what resonated with that video with watching with Maddie. And I was like, wow, if only I started back 2006 and it'd be all this and that. But I thought to myself, you know what, there's this quote out there where it's like, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The next best time is now. Start now, wherever you're in the world. Do that, and do something you love. Create a side hustle, whatever it is out there, and learn and be willing to fail and be okay with it, and whatever it is. Because I never had the confidence growing up to try all these different things for myself, because like I said, I was trying to fit into society, something that I wasn't. But growing older, and as I'm going through life now, I'm just like, I should have did this in the first place, because I'm really enjoying it. People are enjoying it, and people are understanding me, and figuring out what I get a lot of messages of like, people are like, oh my god, Paul, like, I'm out biking as well too, because I enjoy biking. I'm out there working out as well too, and all these different things. And then I thought about it. I was like, I influence that, right? I influence that it's okay to like just enjoy it and be weird and be quirky, and so if I can make this video and this whole entire channel around that, just to grow and inspire people to do the same thing as well too, this is all worth it to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you guys later. Just remember to subscribe, like, share. I'll see you guys later. Have a great one.